We're super excited today because we're doing a ziplining, Indigenous, and hot springs tour. Don't know how long it's going to take, probably most of the day. And hopefully it doesn't rain on us again. It's freaking raining again. We can't escape it. It's like January, the middle of January. It's supposed to be dry season and it is raining. We don't have an umbrella and the tour company says it's not raining there, so they want to do it anyway. We already had to cancel our paddleboarding.
We're excited because we're going to the largest man-made lake in Costa Rica.
And go paddleboarding near an active volcano. Let's do it! Woo!
Okay, we got all the equipment we need except for the paddleboard, stand-up paddleboard. And we're going out there, even though it's questionable, but they said it's safe.
Oh, this is super choppy. I don't see how we're gonna do this. This is crazy. I mean, this is not going according to plan, and I don't think Viador is gonna give us any refunds because it's raining and the weather and the wind and all these things. This is crazy. I feel like I shouldn't even be booking tours in advance anymore because you can't plan anything in this world. This sucks. This isn't even fun.
You know what's fun?
What?
Lounging around and eating good food.
What do you know? It isn't raining over here. It's almost time to go. We're getting our harnesses all on. Kostika's gonna wear the head mount and I'm gonna wear the GoPro harness so we can get some cool shots. Because we're hands-free, we have to use both of our hands while we're ziplining. And then I should check if we're coming back here before we do like the Indigenous tour, if that's deep in there. And then we have the hot springs. Woo! Are you scared?
No.
Yeah, you are.
When you need to brake is only when you pull down. When you brake too much, you're gonna get stuck in the middle. Okay?
What happens if you get stuck in the middle?
Yeah, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. Ready to have fun, right? What is your name?
Ica.
Ita. Nice to meet you. I'm Giancarlos from Costa Rica, right?
All right.
1, 2, 3, up. Thank you. Now, one hand's in the middle, okay?
Okay.
One hand's here.
Oh, here.
There you go. Cross your feet and bend your knees, okay? Keep this hand behind.
Far like that?
Yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah. Ready to have fun?
Oh, yeah.
Pura Vida. Just enjoy it. One hand's here, okay? Never touch the cable. One, two, three. Ready, sir?
Ready.
1, 2, 3.
How was the first one?
Very good.
Why are you serious?
Huh?
Why are you serious?
Right hand backwards.
All right.
Hand right over here.
Okay.
Good. Don't.
Okay.
This one we have to brake more at the end?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's better. You
Okay.
can use 2 hands.
Okay. Well, one worked last time, as long as it works.
It's better brake very hard here because it's a faster.
Okay.
But if you can with 1 hand, it's okay.
Okay. And it's just pulling down, right?
Yeah.
Like it's... Okay.
Don't squeeze.
It's not
Pull down.
squeezing. Okay, pull down on it.
Take a seat.
Okay. Like this.
When I start working here, I just squeeze the glove and one day I hit the tree.
Oh,
Ready?
yeah.
Ready.
Brake hard at the end, okay?
Okay.
Pull down hard at the end.
Okay.
Yep.
Good.
We have 2 more.
2 hands.
2 hands up here?
Yeah, because the other guy is no strong.
Okay.
On the cable, lady. Both.
Oh, both.
1, 2, 3 up.
Okay. They were saying you weren't strong over there.
Jump.
Okay.
Hold this. Break hand back, rest. Cross the legs.
Hey, bud.
Almost made it.
All right.
1, 2, 3 up. Thank you. The last we're gonna do, sir, is the rappelling experience.
Okay.
So just
Careful,
go
it's
together.
slippery over here.
Okay.
Be careful.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, wow, that's fast.
Stand up.
Yep.
Let go the rope, sir.
Okay.
Stand up.
Okay.
kitong. Afe paki ang to kutito mi te arkapikat. Got it? It's a traditional language of the Maleku tribe, and also today in my community we have a small school.
We made it! Done ziplining and now we're gonna head to the hot springs. Now we're gonna go find a soda to eat lunch and then we're gonna go over to the hot springs. Let's go! We just ordered another traditional breakfast with the gallo pinto and eggs and stuff like that, and then we got a pancake to split. We ate 2 hours ago, but we're already super hungry. Just when you think the rain has stopped, it starts again. Cassie? This whole area is made out of wet clay, and we're under a tent to prevent ourselves from getting wet. Oh, it says do not enter the pool with the volcanic mud. You have to wash it off then? All right, guys, we're gonna spend as much time as we can in the hot springs. Today was super fun, ziplining, and the rappelling was like kind of unexpected. I've never done that before. That was definitely the scariest part of the day. The Indigenous Tour was super fast. The hot springs are amazing. Perfect way to end the day. I don't even want to leave. We don't have anything else planned today, so we're going to stay here as long as possible. Overall, I think it was worth it. It's a very Costa Rican experience and thing to do while you're here. Last time we went ziplining was 10 years ago on our first trip to Costa Rica. And I would recommend getting the pictures or paying for the pictures to be taken if you know you're not going to be coming back here or spending a lot of time here, because I still have all the photos from 10 years ago. It was awesome to do that. We didn't pay for the pictures this time because we were taking videos of the whole thing, but super cool, super fun experience. I can't remember off the top of my head how much we paid, but I'll put the price right here. And we will see you guys in the next one. We have so many fun adventures left in Costa Rica. We're just getting started. See ya.
Bravo! You know something better than we do. You're very smart.